What if you could create marketing videos without ever picking up a camera or recording yourself, and they look like this?
Every creator has their tool. This one's mine. I just got Logitech's new MX Master 4. I've gone through like 4 mouse this year trying to find one that doesn't slow me down mid-edit. This one's actually different. It has haptic feedback, so you feel clicks and snaps instead of just...
If you're an editor, you know how crucial that precision is. This completely changed my workflow. No more endless scrolling or missed cuts. It's perfectly tactile, and honestly, it looks amazing on the desk. Seriously, do yourself a favor and upgrade your setup. Check the link below to get yours right now.
That was done using AI. You could generate realistic AI influencers using nothing more than just text description or just simple images. In this video, I'm going to show you a tool that lets you create incredible, realistic AI avatar, then turn them into talking actors with natural lip syncing and expressive gestures, and generate content for platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and other social media platforms in just a few minutes. You also get access to a growing library of ready-made templates, AI influencers, and even the ability to analyze high-performing ads so you can recreate winning content without starting from scratch. Whether you are creating UGC ads, promoting a product, building your personal brand, or just scaling your content production, this tool can dramatically reduce the cost and time that it takes to create professional videos like this. And you are about to learn how to use it to create high-quality UGC AI videos for your brand or your business. Let's dive in. Before we dive into the tool proper, let's talk about what UGC actually means. UGC stands for User Generated Content. These are videos created by everyday people sharing their experiences using a product or a service. The challenge is that many AI-generated UGC videos, they look unnatural with stiff movements and just plastic features on their face that makes them obviously look AI-generated. Now, this tool solves that problem by letting you create realistic AI avatars and talking actors with natural expression and expressive gestures that makes your content to feel far more authentic. Now, what is this tool that I've been talking about? It's called UGCvideo.ai. Let's see how it works in practice. So now this is the main interface of the website. The link is in the description and also the pinned comment. Do well to check it out. So it's called UGCvideo.ai. This is the main interface. So once you create your account, it brings you to this interface. The first thing that you will be asked to do is to create your AI avatar. So these are the options here. First of all, the first thing is to create a UGC character. Once you click on that, you can see 4 different options. You can start with an image, you can describe your character, you can build your character, or you can use an AI influencer. There are also some library of content from which you can pick from. But let's first of all create an influencer. Let's go to this influencer generator. Once you click on it, you can generate any influencer that you want for your brand. Let's say that you want to market a particular product. Then this first option, you want it to be a face close-up or full body shot and the rest. I want to create a female avatar to market a particular product. So once I come here, I click on female, just select a female. Then it asks for age. I want obviously a young person. Then the personality of that person, is a fashion blogger and the rest. Let's say a fashion blogger. Now the region, you can select the region that you want the person to come from. Let's select this, a black, not African person. So skin tone also, you want this skin tone, just select a particular skin tone. Let me select this. Then also the facial features to make the AI avatar to look more realistic. So, okay, wrinkles, let's pick a little wrinkles. So you can now select the model. Let me use GPT, aspect ratio, and the number of generation. I'll just leave it at 1. Just hit on generate and just wait for it to generate. Now you can see the generation it came up with. This was the image that it generated. So this is our AI avatar. This is the person that we are going to be using for our marketing. So that's just how easy it is to create the AI avatar. So that is just in the influencer generation. Another option that you can use is to create it from an already existing image. So I'm going to select this, which is start from image. So I can upload a reference image that I want. So once I've uploaded my reference image, I just give the avatar a name. Then the background story, what is the story behind the character? The model that I want to use. Let me try Nano Banana 2 for this. So now you can see the results that we got from the prompt that we ran. So this is just the AI avatar. So I can take this AI avatar and give it some few scripts for it to present on camera for me. So these are some other options that you can also use. You can also describe your character or build your character. But if you don't want to use any of this option, you can use the library of content that this platform offers. Now let's go to the next feature, which is UGC Ad video. Now this is where you can create UGC videos. These are the parameters that you need to input. First of all, the product that you want to market. Then a place for your avatar. Then you can give it a prompt, then select the voice that you want to use. So first of all, the product, what product do I want to market? I just select it and save. Then which influencer do I want to use to market this product? So I'll add my influencer. So I'll select the influencer that we just created earlier. So I'll just click on this influencer. So now the prompt, what do I want the influencer to say before the camera? So I already have a prompt that I've copied, so I just paste it. Then I can now select a voice. This is very important. You select the voice that matches the AI avatar that you're using. So I'll just click on add voice. So it brings a bunch of options right here. So the language, English, I want the person to speak English. Select English. Then the gender, a female, young. These are the style. Which style do I want the AI avatar to present in? Do I want it to be serious, to be friendly, to be hyped, to be excited? Let's select on, let's say casual. So I can go ahead to test these sounds to pick the one that matches the influencer.
You know, I was thinking, embrace tomfoolery as if it were a ritual. Are you looking for a voice of a teenage lady? Being a one of a kind means we are automatically the best in the world at what we do.
Okay, let me select this. Now the aspect ratio 9:16, because most of these ads go on TikTok or Instagram. So that's the aspect ratio that matches this platform. So the number of generation, I'll just select 1. So this is what we have: the product image, the AI influencer, the prompt, then the voice. Then I go ahead to click on generate. Now it took some minutes to generate. Now it has come up with the final result. Now let's play it and see how it looks.
Stop scrolling. If you've ever worn a wig just to feel like that girl, I'm telling you right now, the right hair changes everything. I recently found fabric hair, and I am literally obsessed. These extensions look so natural. The blending is just seamless. The confidence boost, unreal. Whether you're switching up your look or just want extra volume, if you want hair that makes you stand out, check out fabric hair right now.
Wow, isn't that amazing? The kind of result you can get by just giving it a few prompts. Now let's try it again with a different avatar and using a different product. Now for this influencer, let me pick a different influencer. Let me use this influencer that I created earlier. Pick the influencer, then I pick the product that I want it to market. So I'll just upload. Now also, it's not only an image that you can upload. You can also put a link to a particular product if you don't have the image of the product. So this is the influencer that I want to use, then the product, then the prompt. I have a prompt that I've copied, so I just paste. Then the voice, which voice do I want to use? I'll go ahead and look for a male voice. Using English, a male, young. Let's test out some voices.
Hi there, I'm Matt. I'm a late 20s man. Hey there, here's how I sound. Hope you like it.
We do not quit playing.
Alright, so I'll go ahead and pick this voice. But one thing you should note is that if you are not satisfied with any of this voice, you can go ahead and create your own custom voice. Once you click on this, it will give you some options for you to record your own voice if you want to use your own personal voice for it. So I'm just going to use this 9:16 aspect ratio. So hit on generate to see generate, and let's see what it gives us. So now again, after a few minutes of generation, it has come up with the final result. So now let's watch it and see.
Stop ruining your wrist with that cheap, uncomfortable mouse. I finally switched to this, and wow! It's incredible. The shape just molds to your hand. No more cramps after long hours. And this side scroll wheel, it's a total game changer for editing. Plus, switch between 3 different devices instantly with just one tap. Do your hand a massive favor. Get yours right now.
So that's what you get with the UGC video. So you can use this community tab to also have access to other influencers that you can use to market your product. All you just need to do is to select anyone from these different categories and just give them their scripts that you want them to present on camera, and they will do it. So now let's go to the next option, which is UGC image. And you first select the character that you want to use. Let me select this. So now for this UGC image, what it just does is that it creates images using different models like Nano Banana and GPT. This scenario is when you click on scenario, there are different scenes that you may want to use. Like for example, there is office and business, there is e-commerce, there is travel vlog, there is home life, driving daily, and so much more. So now let me select office and business. I've already selected my character, which is this. So the reference image, no need for reference image for this. So 9:16 aspect ratio, the resolution I can leave it at 1K. Then I'll just describe what I just want. I'll just say at this image giving a business presentation generate. So now we can see the result that we got from GPT-2. This is how it looks. Now one other thing that you can do is to combine two images together. For example, you select a character. So I'll now select the product that I want the character to. Let's say I want the character to hold a particular product. So I've uploaded the avatar and the product image that I want to use. Now you can see the results that we got. I said the character holding this product, and this is what it came up with. You can see how realistic the generation looks. Very clean. You can see it's pointing at the product, and this works with any product. All you just need to do is to upload the AI avatar that you want to use, then the product, whatever product that you want, and it's going to give you a realistic result like this. So you can also check the community section to reuse some of the templates that some other creators have used. You can just recreate. Once you just click on recreate, you'll be able to recreate something similar to this. So another option that is here is UGC video. So for this UGC video, you also select the character that you want to use. Let's say I select this character. Now you can see the models that is being used there. You can use Clink 3.0. You can also use Seedance. What you just need to do, select the character like I've done, and also the reference image, just like I showed you before. Let's say I want the character to be holding a particular product. You just select the reference image and put it here. Then right here, you just type the prompt that you want to use, that you want the character to display on screen. And also click on sound effects, then pick the aspect ratio. This is also for duration, this 8 seconds, the quality, the aspect ratio. I used this feature to create the intro video that you watched at the beginning of this video.
I've gone through like 4 mouse. Every creator has their tool. I've gone through like 4 mouse this year.
Like
every creator has their tool.
All I just did was just upload the image, then the reference photo that I wanted there. That's a talking head video with tights. I just gave it this description, and this is what it created.
Logitech's new MX Master 4. Every creator has their tool. This one's mine. I just got Logitech's new MX Master 4.
And it uses Seedance to create it. Also, again, you can also check the community tab for other inspirations. You can just recreate. You don't need to start from scratch. You can just recreate what someone else has already done. So you can go ahead and play around with the tools, explore. It has a lot. Honestly, the results that I got from this tool is so amazing. You can see some of the images that I was able to generate using this UGC image, and they look so clean, so professional, and so realistic. Now, some other tools that you can also look at are talking videos. For example, then click on this talking video. Now, for this talking video, what you just need to do is to select the AI avatar that you want to use. Let's select the influencer. What this tool does is that you can deliver an entire script, just as the name suggests, a talking video of that AI avatar narrating the script that you give to it. So I placed a particular script. So I select a voice, English, male, young.
Leave me alone! My voice has been virtually proven to go viral with over 300 million views across platforms. Every story sparks a...
Let me select that. Now let's generate to just see. So what it's going to do is going to read this entire script to the camera to generate. So now it has created a talking video, and let's go ahead and watch it.
UGC stands for User Generated Content. Videos created by everyday people sharing their experiences with a product or service. You've probably seen them on TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook, where someone reviews a product, unboxes it, or shares a quick testimonial. The challenge is that many AI-generated UGC videos still look unnatural, with stiff movements and poor lip sync, making it obvious they're AI-generated. This tool solves that by letting you create realistic AI influencers and talking actors with natural expressions, accurate lip sync, and expressive gestures that make your videos feel far more authentic. Now, let's jump into the website and see how it works.
Now, I strongly suggest that you check this website out. Once you create an account, you get 30 free credits that you can use to generate your images and your videos. And after your first generation, you get an additional 30 credits for more generations that you can come up with. So this tool can be used for marketing campaigns, to promote your product, to also promote your personal brand, and you can go ahead to check it out. It has a lot of features that I highly recommend. So that's it about this video. If you found value, do well to like the video and subscribe to this channel. Remember, the link is in the pinned comment and the description, and I'll see you in the next video.